Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will talk about no money at 60, how to build a corpus and survive. The stickman is sitting on the tree and worried about having no money at 60. No job, no pension, no saving. Time is running away. No money, no job, what next? He worries about food, rent, medical and family. He said himself, this is not over, this is the new beginning. Survive is possible. He changed his mindset first. You are not retired. You have skills and ideas and time. It's time to push hard. Reinvent yourself. Cut expenses. Create a budget. Track spending. Cancel unnecessary subscriptions. I eat at home, etc. Monetize the house. If you have more than 2 rooms, rent a single room. Government schemes. Use the government schemes for medical coverages. Leverage existing skills. Start teaching, cooking, consulting. Even YouTube is an income. And micro corpus building. Start an SIP of 1,000 a month in equity mutual funds over 5 years. The average return of 12%. The market gives you 21,104. Investment 60,000, returns 21,104, total corpus 81,104. At 65, transfer the equity mutual funds corpus into bonds and receive the pension of 1,000 from the bond jar. From 60 to 65, build a corpus and get a pension from 66 to 74. Pension 1,000 INR into 9 years, that is 1,08,000. The final value left 3,759. Even no job, a disciplined 1,000 investment a month will give you 9 years of pension. That is the power of discipline. 60 is not the end, it's the new beginning. Rebuild your life even after 60. If someone struggles after 60, share this video. And that's it about this video friends. Press the like button, subscribe to my channel and follow me for more financial videos.